Okay, here we go. It is, well, it says 7:18 on there. It's 7:16 on my computer. Let's see. Today is Wednesday, May 13th. We are doing a 2-box break. Teams are J-Wags, 49ers, Bucks, Derek, Steelers, Texans, Packers, Jags, Redskins, Browns, Josh, Vikings, Bears, Falcons, Keith, Colts, Giants, Bills, Jets, E, Saints, Raiders, Rams, Chargers, Titans, Lions, Ravens, Chiefs, Seahawks. Those are your teams. We got 2 boxes, one 2014 Blaster, one 2013 SPX. Favorite box. Let's get it started. Good luck to everybody. This has one pack, one card, one on-card auto, 2014. The box. Numbered 108 out of 150, Trent Murphy. Now, I believe, yeah, I'm going Redskins with my guess. Trent Murphy, Washington Redskins, picked in the 2nd round. He's an outside linebacker. Eight starts last year. Suffered a bone in his fractured bone in his right hand. Missed the last game. Not a bad one. Who's got the Redskins? Redskins, Derek. Here you go. Trent Murphy, 2nd round outside linebacker. Okay, let's have some fun. 4 hits, 3 numbered cards, 1 auto jersey in those 4 hits. Now, I did try to look to see if there was a bonus pack. I couldn't find one. Like this, but who knows if one's hiding in there. Could be stuck on the other side. Nope, no bonus pack. Every pack has something in it, which is nice. Your first not hit, I don't think. Juwan Jameson, Redskins. Derek with another one. Rookie number 2, $8.99. Juwan Jameson, $8.99. 2 Redskins cards, first 2. It's not even 2012, it's 2013. Time for a die cut. It is of Niall Davis for the Chiefs. Oh, die cut. A couple cases left, a couple sleeves left. I have to go grab some more sleeves. Who's got the Chiefs? E with the Chiefs. Niall Davis. Let me grab another slide here. I need more sleeves, almost out. Okay. Not a bad start. Here's a hit, we'll open it, why not? Bruce Smith. Steve Young. Ooh, this is a fun one. Going to left or top? Left or top? Left or top? We have Mike Glennon, Tyler Wilson. Mike Glennon is on top. Buccaneers win it 95 out of 225. That's going to J-Wags. He's been hitless for a little while, so that's nice. Sorry, E, left or top rules. Here you go, J-Wags. Mike Glennon, Tyler Wilson out of 225, dual jersey. Nice. This one feels thick. Yep. Leave it for there. I don't know what this one is. Number. Decoy. And another number card is sweet Barry Sanders, $8.99. I'm guessing that's going to the Lions. Let me pretty sure, yeah, Barry only played for the Lions. $8.99 to the Lions, Barry Sanders. The Lions are going to E. E for 2 cards, Derek for 2 cards, and J-Wags with 1. That's a hit. This feels thick. Die cut. The thing I like out of this is every box, every pack has at least something. Oh. Boom. Low numbered die cut auto. Never heard of the guy. But that's pretty cool. Bleedy Wilson? That is a cool looking card though. I think we got one of these kind of cards before with like Alec Ogletree or somebody. It's numbered to only 25. It's a cool looking die cut. All up here is missing. Bleedy Wilson, 21 to 25. I don't have a clue who that is, so time to go look. B-L-I-D-I. Wilson. He's a corner, was drafted in the 3rd round by the Titans. He's a Titan. Signed a 4-year contract. Tennessee Titans are going to E. Apparently he's a 3rd round corner. That's a nice low numbered card. E, J-Wags, E, Derek. Okay, time for me, Keith, and Josh. Die cut tag. Thought the last one was just going to be a normal die cut. There you go. Boom. That's going to Keith and the Bills. EJ Manuel die cut. Oh die cut. That's why I like these boxes. Even these cards, which are not considered like big hits, are nice. Like, that's a nice looking card. It's probably worth $4 or $5. Actually, some of them are worth more than that, I know. EJ. I think we got our last numbered card here. And it is Tyler Bray. I think that would go to the Chiefs. I think that's who Tyler Bray went to. I'll double check. Kansas City Chiefs. That's going to E as well. Out of $8.99. Tyler Bray. He's got 4 cards already. Okay, we still have a jersey. Probably a rookie jersey base. And an auto jersey. This is not going to be either one of them. Ooh. I don't know what this is. This could be another auto. Ooh, we got a redemption. That's either awesome or scary. It's upper deck. Redemption. This card's gonna be hard to read, isn't it? Keith's going to be pretty happy. It is really hard to read. But it says 2013 SPX Superscript. So we got an extra auto in here. Robert Woods. There's no way the camera will be able to pick that up. And still not expired. So I think you're good there either way. Probably send that in soon, but Keith, Robert Woods on card auto, nice. Bill, so there you go. So that means I think we might have an extra hit. Is there a hit in here? Maybe not. Maybe we don't have another jersey, and we just had that auto. Ooh, that one looks really sparkly. It's going to be your X die cut. It is going to be Doug Flutie. X die cut. Doug Flutie had a really weird draft stuff. I gotta go look at what team he's really going to. Robert Woods Superscripts. That's a cool card. It Doug Flutie. That's a funny picture. Chicago Bears. That's what I'm going to go with, which means Josh. Make his debut in 1986 for the Chicago Bears. Everybody's on the board but me. Okay, last pack, empty box. I'm assuming this will be an auto jersey. I've never had it without the auto jersey, so fingers crossed. Oh, okay. Good luck to everybody. I haven't got a hit. Everybody else has at least got a card. This does look like an auto jersey, I think. Take a couple off the back. think I might have got this one. I'm not sure. Forget what teams I even got. The auto jersey is Kenyon Barner out of 475 Oregon Ducks. He is a Panther. I have no idea. I kind of feel like I got the Panthers, but at the same point in time, honestly, I'm not sure. Panthers was one of the last 5 or 6 teams picked. I did take the Panthers. Nice. So I will get Kenyon Barner out of 475. So everybody at least got a card out of this. I ended up with Kenyon Barner, Josh, Doug Flutie, Keith got a redemption for Robert Woods R-Card Auto, which is nice, and an EJ Manuel die cut. Derek got a Juwan Jameson. Redskins was a good pick, and Trent Murphy R-Card Auto out of 150. J-Wags dual jersey out of 225. Mike Glennon, Tyler Wilson, and Keith. No, and Tyler Bray out of 899. Niall Davis die cut. Lady Wilson numbered out of 25 die cut rookie auto. That's pretty cool. And Barry Sanders out of 899. Okay, that's gonna do it. I will figure out a break for next week soon, but I will get these to bed today. Thanks, guys.